in single file straight towards the podium. As the riders proceed towards the podium, they'll turn out and alternate towards opposite ends of the performance area. So once again, warm up in the racing squad in preparation for our next maneuver. Approach each other in single file from opposite ends of the performance area. Then they'll form columns of 2 and execute double figures of 8. We're going to listen here now as the ride leader calls them up in the 2s.
Come up in the 2s. Come up in the 2s now.
This maneuver exemplifies our team philosophy of precision riding and skill and motorcycle control. Opposite ends of the performance area. They'll turn back towards the center. And they'll form a lazy S. The team will now form 2 circles. Both squads will travel counterclockwise. Watch closely as the riders from each squad meet the corresponding partner in the center right performance area. You'll see a nod or a smile.